நலாஸ் நாட்டு சர்க்கரை நலமுடன் வாழ நலாஸ் இந்தியாவிலேயே நாட்டு சர்க்கரைக்கு ISI முத்திரை மற்றும் அக்மார்க் அங்கீகாரம் பெற்ற ஒரே நிறுவனம். தொடர்புக்கு 9047045000.
Most successful economy, the third economy, and even the banks are very happy. The street dwellers are happy. The traders are happy. Almost the financial setup of our country is almost in a successful rate, and we are very happy about the development of our country. You would have noticed the respect our Honorable Prime Minister gained among the other leaders. To blame our Prime Minister or the economic country, to say it is a dead economy, and the action of our Honorable Prime Minister, the action of our Honorable Finance Minister has answered. We needn't answer by words. The attitude and act of our economic development has answered Rahul Gandhi. How can he say it's a dead economy? So most probably he is in a distress. Not the country is not in a distress. He is in a distress to face the failures. So he is blaming the economy, he is blaming the election commission. So we cannot take it so serious. To make sensation and to make his party move, he is doing all these things.
The opposition today in Tirupur has gathered and staging a protest over the 50% tariff. We see the opposition had been claiming that the union government could have done much better, and they are not reacting in the manner they should have. How do you get it?
No, because it's a challenging situation. Everyone should face the challenge. And as I said, I felt how the country took away from the corona challenge, and how the country evolved from the backward situation of the economic situation because of the corona. So I strongly believe, and each and everyone should feel that it is the part of each and every citizen to counter the 50% hike, because it is not the government to be blamed. And Trump should be blamed, but definitely because the movement of our Honorable Prime Minister with other countries, develop it, compact it, and other thing. As he said, the improvement of the Atmanirbhar Bharat, the Make in India, Startup Indias, definitely will counter this. And another thing, the citizens of America also feeling, because they are unable to get the good things from whether it is pearls, whether it is jewel or medicines from India. So the citizens of America is also suffering. So they should take it in a good sense, and I think it's only a temporary, whether it could be revival or the country will actually bounce back from all these challenges, because known for Honorable Prime Minister is known for his attitude, counter the challenges and to bounce back during the challenging period. For example, I said corona period.
Thank you.